off when I turned 30. I paid $36,000 for a whole birdie. In my hood, I'm in the rafters, you can see my jersey. Hall of Fame, nigga. I thank my old heads for giving me the game, nigga. Now young niggas, they know it all, look how it changed, nigga. Out my window, I seen the rain and the pain, nigga. Yeah, you know Taylor gang, my brothers. Same hustle, different mothers. Same goals, different struggles. Now the whole world love us. That's across the globe. Some places you'll never go and some money you'll never hold. 5-star meals, 5-star chef. And we always on defense, so we ain't never pressed. So when it's all done, just know I gave my best. And if you gang, say it with your chest, nigga.
Fuck. I think we got a nice little offense with it.